Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change display mode to light mode on Emo. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next tap on settings. After that you can see the option of display mode. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of light mode. Tap on it. So this is how you can change display mode to light mode on Emo. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.